3D Joker making part 1, part 2 is coming on next week.
Hello everyone, once again I have come. I am Bishwajit representing Doremi. I hope you all are fine. Doremi, a platform, nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. We have come with a new video and I want your support more. I want you to be passionate for the whole time for your work. So don't wait, join Doremi, be creative and smart by learning art and craft.
And be a part of our students' gallery. I have taken a paper in landscape mode, but I need my paper in portrait mode. Now I'll fold the paper from the middle. So in the middle I'll give a dot and I'll draw the line to show the folding in the middle of the paper. Now you can see I have given the dot top and bottom. Now I have given two more dots. One is left side, another is right side, and drawing a straight line. Now I'm giving dot in my left side. Now again giving dot in my right side, and I'll fold paper from both the corner. Now again in the bottom I'm giving more two dot lines in left and right, and I'm again giving the dotted line. I will fold the corner and left side also, both the sides I will, top and bottom I will fold the paper. Look, once I fold the paper, you cannot see the corners because the corners is already folded. Now bottom also same things are being repeated. Now I'm folding the paper and both the corner of the top will meet in a sleeping line. Same thing will be repeated on the down also. Here is also both the part is meeting on a sleeping line. Once again I will check my middle of the folding from left to right. Now I am going to make a new folding in the middle from top to bottom. Between the top to bottom I am going to fold it. So look, for your better understanding, I am coloring it the gray to show after folding we cannot see. After folding we cannot see the both the part, we can see only one part. So exactly after folding your paper is going to be looking like that. So you have to fold the paper to get a line between top and bottom. Now if you open the paper, now I'm opening the paper again. So if you again open the paper, so obviously you can see your previous form of paper. The previous shape of paper you can see over here. To look exact same, I am again drawing the folding. Now I have to turn the paper. I have to turn the paper back. Once I turn the paper back, you cannot see all the folding because all this folding will be under our paper that we cannot see. Now after turning back, this is only our front sides where we will draw. Between top to bottom we made a folding where exactly along with that dotted line with the scale we have drawn a line, and upper side is going to be a cap of our joker. And look how I am designing it. You can make your own designing also. Now on the top you can paste something ball type of, and in the middle I am drawing a line. Look, I am drawing a D. So both the D is creating a perfect round. Now this is also looks like D to make the eyes. This is eyeball. And white touch in the eyeball, that you can do after completing your color. Now a smiling face, that is the main USP of our joker. Joker is always keep smiling and makes a smile. So this dotted line helped me to show the both sides are looking symmetric and equal.
In this video, every part is very important. You have to see very minutely. So don't skip the video. Watch the full video.
Now we will learn our making in manually. You can see I have taken a paper in portrait format. Now I am folding it from the top. Look, very nicely I am folding it. After folding, this is the shape we have got. Now what I will do, from the bottom I will make the same folding. You can see how I am making. Okay. Now look, the shape is looking like a hexagon, and you know hexagon has 6 sides. It has a 6 sides. Okay, so this is going to be our joker, and this is the back side. I have folded, and this is our back sides, and I have to make one folding between the top and bottom. So I have done it. You can see this is the folding. Along with this folding, we'll draw a line. So for drawing a straight line, we need a scale. So I am taking a scale. Look, I have drawn a line, but line was not perfect. So learn from my mistake. Before draw the line, along with this folding, you need to give some dot that you can identify the line is going correct. Now you can see two part, one is top, another is in the bottom. So top part we will draw joker's cap. You can make a different type of design that you like. Now I'm drawing the eyes. Okay, now a big nose and a smile. You can see I have drawn the eyes in round shapes, but in digitally I drew it in D shape, so you can make any of it. Now I am folding the bottom part to shows the chin. Little bit I'm folding. Now again I'm folding it from the middle to check my middle folding is fine. This is our joker here, and our part 1 video is this much. Part 2 is coming on next week. That is going to be very interesting. So keep watching and motivate us.